Hello guys, in this video I will try just to speak about the opinion of analysts that you see online. Let's say any company, you go to Yahoo Finance or you go to Google Finance or too many websites, and you just find analysts saying something about the company. Understand, if you don't know these things, I'm just trying to explain to you how things work in the stock market. Analysts are people who are paid to tell you what they think. Generally, they don't think. The information is given by companies to this guy who is an analyst, and they pay him for telling you what the company wants him to tell you. And this is like a form of advertisement. It's like an ad, but you think that it is a normal thing. That's why here is a funny thing. Go to the analyst article, or what does he say? Go below his article, you will find that this guy, he will tell you that he has not bought any shares from this company. Now why he tells you that? It means that he is neutral. He just say his opinion, and it's not because he bought he can't buy the stock because he doesn't believe in what he say. If he believes in what he say, okay, I have bought 100,000 shares from this company. Okay, so these analysts are just people who get paid. They are not neutral. It means someone just pay them to be neutral in the market. They can give just general thing about the market. But everything is related to money in the stock market. It's the biggest market in the world. Okay, everything is there, and no one talks for just to inform you, because it's in general it's the companies that they inform the public. For example, when there are something that happens in the company, it's the company that files, and it says, and it has updates, and it has news, conferences, and they give the information to the public. Okay, so you don't need this analyst. Sometimes it's funny when you go to analysts from different brokers or different institutions, and each one tells you to buy, the other tells you to hold, and another analyst tells you to sell. So for you, are you going to follow like this and to choose whatever? It's time right now. If you learn the right way, it's time to make your own opinion without any help of anyone online. You make your own opinion when you learn how to trade, or you learn how to invest in companies. Okay, and you do it by yourself, and you check the price, you check the movement 1 year or 2 or 3 if you are an investor. Okay, but there is a curve of learning. We know that. It means you don't know about stock market, you don't know about investing, you don't know about trading, so it's high time to learn. Okay, and you have a lot to learn, and you have to practice, and after a few years you will be a good investor or a good trader if you train yourself and practice and get your own opinion about companies. Okay, one time I was just going to some companies, retail companies, when I go to shop. Okay, and I find a company that it is, I like it. I just like it. I enter, I like it. I like the way the business is good, and I go online and I see that this company is doing good in terms of price and competition. It means its stock is always going up and up and up. Okay? So I decided to buy. But this is like an investment. It's not swing trading, or is not. It is something that you leave for years. And this company, in like about 2 years, it doubled its money. Now, investing, you should need to know about the company competition. You should need to see the price, which I always speak about. Okay? These things you will get when you have enough information about how the market is doing. Because when a mutual funds see a company that it is good in competition and it has some potential to become bigger and bigger and bigger, what they do? They begin to buy this company. And the price is not a problem. What does it mean it's not a problem? It means if it is $100, they buy it. If it's $200, they buy it. If it's $300, they buy it. If it's $500, they buy it. Okay? So they don't stop because of the price, because mutual funds, they have billions of dollars to spend each year. So the price, they can buy a stock that it is 500, 700. Okay? Because they understand if they buy it, there are other mutual funds, when they see the company is doing good, they will buy again. And this is what happened for investing. Now in swing trading, we don't stay that long. We don't stay many years into a company as an investor. No, we just try to see some trends, 1 month or 2 or 3, that this company is growing so fast because mutual fund is buying. We see his hands, okay, and I explained a lot how do we see these hands. We see the trend beginning to form. We have ways to buy this stock on time. Okay, there are many ways and techniques to find this kind of stocks. You just search by stock screener and with the criteria that they have, or with other criteria, and you select the best. Since we stay only few weeks or few months, just when we have the trend, and then when the stock is going down because some mutual fund they sell and they want to replace it, we are out. So in general, what I'm trying to say is you should learn by yourself. Learn, always learn. Don't expect that an analyst or a guru on TV or those people that are very famous, they will give you a free thing to make money. They will never do that, because they are there to advertise for something. And believe it or not, try to follow these guys. Try to see what they say. Sometimes they say something and it becomes true, and you think that they know. They will never know nothing, because sometimes they advertise for something and they see that a lot of people are buying because they advise them in TV, most time in the TV, or in some big channels of TV. They advise them to buy these things. That's why you see that the price is going up for a certain time. But sometimes it is a big mutual fund, and he wants to sell a big chunk of money. What does he do? He advertises. He pays millions of dollars, because when he wants to sell, he sells billions of dollars. So if he spend 1 million or 2 or 3 to an analyst, and he say, okay, please push this company up. I'm trying to go to sell. So this is like a fine contract. So these guys will try to begin and to speak about this thing, that this company is one of the best companies in the world. Last year it goes 70%. Okay, when he say good information, what does it mean? It is last year, not next year. So how he will tell you the truth about last year, but the truth about next year no one knows. Who knows it? It's the future, and we are living the moment we are now. We don't see the future. Even if it is 1 minute or two, you can't see it until we get to it. Okay? Some people, they like analysts, what they predict. Okay, anyone can predict. Anyone in the market, anyone in the street, you ask him something and predict. He can't tell you good thing or bad thing. This is prediction. But you can't base your investment on prediction. Okay? You can't, because you will lose a lot of money if your prediction is bad, because you don't know. That's why you should learn techniques, you should learn things to make your own opinion by yourself. And this, for example, for swing trading, this is what I teach. I teach the person to be independent from me and from anyone else. When you get the training, you begin to trade, you will see the big picture. And I have a lot of friends, they send me about their trades, and when they make money, when they lose money, and which is a very good thing. Now sometimes I give them I don't give them advice what to buy, what to sell, but I will give them their problems. If they make a problem and he doesn't follow rules, I will tell him that, or tell her that, okay, you have done mistake here and here and here. You should practice this and this and this in order to get better and better and better. Because you know yourself. If you are doing mistakes, you know by yourself that you are doing mistakes. And you should fix these mistakes in order to make money in the future. How can you do the mistakes and you expect the same mistakes, you do them always, and you expect to get better in trading? You can't, because you are doing the same mistakes. When you solve the mistakes and you practice more, your mistakes will be solved and the money will come to you. Thank you very much for watching this video, and please subscribe to my channel or share it. Thank you.